Welcome, in this video I will show you how to reset all settings on your iPhone 15 Pro. To reset all settings without removing your personal data from iPhone, we have to open Settings menu and go to General. In General Settings, scroll down to the very bottom of this menu and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset and select the option at the very top saying Reset All Settings, and then enter your passcode to confirm. Confirm Reset All Settings, and then wait until this operation is finished. After that, your screen will go black, and after a couple of seconds your phone will begin to restart. And after your phone is restarted, the reset operation is fully completed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.